Hello, my people. I come in peace. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Anywhere where you dey, where you for to see this video, all you just gotta do is subscribe, follow me on, comment, talk your mind as it dey do you. First, I just get two topic when I want try discuss with my fellow Nigerians, especially the youth, because I'm all about the youth. Now, the election where they come for Nigeria, we see the talk say the youth now will be the future leader. But we see the CDP me for inside BC. The youth never settle down, start to draw their map. Secondly, I want to make this one clear. I'm not be Igbo. I'm not be Igbo. I'm not be from East. But I just want to make people understand, say, the northern they rule, they rule, they rule. Then the southwest they rule. Waiting do the eastern actually. For me, they don't try southern, they don't try north, they don't try west. This time, if any of these parties no bring Igbo man, nobody should vote these people. Me, I like I said, I no be Igbo. I no be Igbo, but I go support Igbo candidate for presidency for that Nigeria. Because first, they're industrious. They are very, very, very smart when it comes to business. Let them turn, may they turn Nigeria grant to business grant. May they turn out to, construction site. Like waiting Donald Trump they talk. They should be Igbo man. Because all this one that they do, no balance, there's no fairness. Now they bring Jagaban, they come. Now they bring so all of them now they fight saying, listen, these are one of the things where they make these people that they say they won't go. They want to leave. Now, one of the things, because for a long time, the three major languages now, Hausa, they are minority. We know, say, see, for me, let the best person rule. But for equality, more can see give Igbo man chance, make he rule. These people are very business minded. They are the Jewish of Africa. There's nowhere you go find Igbo man. These people know what it be business. Let them come. Hunger dey the land. Let them come. Make them turn Nigeria to business ground. Make things flourish. Make development come. Nothing dey wrong if Igbo man rule the country. Abi una dey fear say if they rule the country, they will divide them. E no dey possible. Like make una give them, make they rule. Make una give them, make they rule. See all these aspirants when they come for APC, PDP, all this Hausa, Yoruba. Listen, the youth, now maybe the youth, for once, let them give an Igbo man the present sport, make he go fight for and make he rule Nigeria. For one, let it may be like that. At least, see if the CC come, Igbo man enter the post, he go call the Eastern people, negotiate with them. At least, we could try restructure the country. The power with the Abuja too much. May not break them down. May everywhere just segment. May not understand now. But like I say, I prefer an Igbo man this time. We have tried all the rest people, they don't fail us. We don't try Hausa several times, they don't fail us. We don't try Yoruba, they don't fail us. We don't try minority, good luck, they try. I won't say in a bad person, even better pass our Baba we did, and now we don't turn the whole thing upside down. So let's give an Igbo man chance, make it rule. That's one. My second topic be we youth where they feel say yes. We say now we get power. Now they don't give us small thing we be say we feel get hope say our vote go count. We get small hope say our vote go count. They say electronic transmission, but at least we know say yes. If we vote now, if he can't, because Nigeria now the more you see, the less the more you look, the less you see. Na gibberish country. One of my friends first off, he don't talk this way. I say Nigeria na joke, and not true. Nigeria na joke. You buy something today, go back in 2 days time. The thing when you buy 10 naira, you go there and 30 naira. No, we no get price regulation. Nobody regulate price for Nigeria. Nothing. For Europe, if you come somewhere, they get people there. If you go there, you go see the price. You know, they quit the change. And if they want make things change. Now, when they by mistake just increase tax small. Now you see things go just go up small. You know, just carry go like because they know the people no go take unlikely. So, like I was saying, back to my story. You see, we youths now, we need to stand together. Let us surprise these old men. We don't they rule us, they fail us, since 1960. These people don't they rule us, they fail us. We'll never see any good thing we come out. Even our fathers during the 70s, we be say, man, if you my pa will tell me that I say when they finish what in a primary elementary class 5, they give them 30 car. Those people say they enjoy Nigeria at that time. Now life don't change. Technology quality suppose even this easier. We Nigerian we dig ourselves more into the feet ground as I put into the coven ground. All the leaders we don't get. No one don't try. I'll be saying it's Nigeria easy to rule. Then I want thing people should understand. Nigeria is not easy to rule because we ourselves with the problem for ourselves. Because when election still come now we the youth where they told all these Agbero people, they just call them, give them small money, they'll go to carry ballot boxes. See, after 4 years, 2 hungry will start to the kids and they'll see, but they don't want waiting good for them. So waiting me they try to talk, see, the second topic when I talk, we see, now EFCC don't make mistake. The mistake with EFCC did not to arrest Obi Kubana. Obi Kubana is a very famous person and he's an Igbo person. This is an opportunity to use Obi Kubana to make these old people know, say yes. Social media get power. Obi Kubana is one of the most famous person right now in Nigeria. So wait on they wait. When I no go can I say Obi Kubana for president. You see, they bring people when I believe say youth. If you watch my previous video when I first do for my my first when I first talk about, I told her I say fast for president, Aisha for vice president. Yes, that is if yes, but me not go advise Obi Kubana when I say me come out for presidency now, make him campaign for presidency, make he go join PDP. No, make he join neutral party, make he join any young party be say say yes. Me Obi Kubana see Obi Kubana get fan. Mo could shocktalize as people they talk. Mo shocktalize these old politicians. Mo shock them say Nigeria don't get sense. If now only the October 20 this enters how they do. Mo let them know say who give that command to just shoot innocent people for toll gate. Mo could shock those people say come we don't tire for now. They don't care about you now. Obi Kubana for president. Right now, EFCC don't make the guy more popular. Everywhere now, Obi Kubana. This now they have that will take this as an advantage now. Bring Obi Kubana as candidate for presidency for this Nigeria 2023 election. I'd advise the people, every youth of Nigeria, I stand behind this guy. This guy is a very friendly person. Now, person they say he don't establish. He says he's a business-minded person. So definitely, he go surround himself with people who get knowledge of economy. See, let's bring Obi Kubana for president. EFCC don't make the guy more popular, self. He do Mama Bere, people everywhere shoot for Nigeria. Be the whole thing, the whole country shut down. Right now, EFCC don't do it. Now, so EFCC go arrange and marry, and marry blue. Now, Obi Kubana, they go arrest him. See, for me, what they see they talk. I no see wetin concern Obi Kubana concern the security of Nigeria. That's to tell you how that country don't fail us. That country don't fail us woefully. The intelligence where they find, they say they look for tax, they say na fraud and this is it. They no go put that fraud. Why they no postpone that kind of thing? Say later on they go follow. They no go put that intelligence. See me they find out until they go they catch all those bandits for north, for all those Zamfara, all those places, all those Boko Haram, all those herdsmen, they no put that, they no use that resources. If you put them together, may they try to stop the insecurity where they happen for Nigeria. When they stop this criminal, everything. Even right now, as I talk to you, they go Abuja, go kidnap lecturers for you. Oh man, this that country. In short, Nigeria is a joke. A better joke. I love my country. I'm a Nigerian. That's why I say I did voice my mind. I did tell my fellow Nigerian, my youth, say, listen, moku get sense. Moku get sense. See, they don't do am, no be today, they don't do am for a very long time. The last election, na so we say we go try, they cause it give una peanut, na save vote. If na waiting, this government do, if na waiting this leading government, this APC people, this APC government do for toll gate, when they kill innocent people for protest, wey be say no, they no carry gun, they just start to dey shoot them. If na wetin that one do, if you no touch una mind to say come, wanna vote APC out of this thing. See, PDP, APC, all of them are one. I don't even care. All I want make people understand, say, if one person wey be say he get good head, I don't know how I go take change whether you come for APC or come for PDP, but one person, one, we go just make sure say Nigeria system dey work. Nigeria system no dey work. See, for me, if you want to know say Nigeria system no dey work, world for Nigeria supposed to be the leader of the world, the president of that world, na governor, na president on his own territory. The people no fit come dey talk to am wetin he wan do for a president, wetin he wan do. Now when he mess up, they go pick am. Local government no dey work. The system no dey work. Because if the system dey work, we no get time go dey call Buhari na mess up, this na mess up. Now go reach down, now the whole thing mess up. He reach down, go down where the whole thing fucked. So all this one wey dey talk, so me, I dey express my mind, dey tell una say come. We no go blame the leader up like say me and this stupid say na only the leader we dey blame. We ourselves, we go blame ourselves. Because no be every time when one person come, na no know wetin he go tell una lie, tell una story just to get there. When he get there, the short after they don't give you peanut, na not vote am. When you go say you wan go A-line, go say make they bounce you, say he no know you. No be that leader we go down to the grass, you go dey say hello to village, they go village, you go leader we go say I no wan see government dey use private plane dey go anywhere. Take road, drive road, make you know road wey good. Those kind of leader now they look for. Leader be say yes, he go just carry one or two security, more or mufti, he go enter public transport. That kind of leader now they look for. Even though they say Nigeria no dey secure, but if you make sure say the whole place secure, your mind, you get free mind, you go waka freely. Now that kind of leader would they look for. Be say you get leader, you carry 250 something guard, they pursue, they drive innocent people, they look for food for road, they drive them more for road, say may they no even do with the work. If they come, if leader they come, if president they come state, the whole state will close down. Nigeria, we dey backward though. My fellow people, you see, what do I know? I'm just saying my mind based on say I love Nigeria. And as I see talk and so I go see talk and the next time when I see am, now the way it is clear for me, I go see let una know. So please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button. Anytime when I post, you get them. Secondly, follow, comment to talk your mind I beg. See, I no be YouTuber, I just dey voice my mind. I just dey do am based on say I feel like voicing my mind. So please talk wetin dey your mind. Now wetin dey my mind, now express yourself. Or go to my comment section, talk your mind. If you see this video, like. If you no like, no wahala. My brother, at the shop, hungry no dey kill me. Now my fellow Nigerians, where I know say man, they had the thing hard. Now they try see whether we fit change am. So if you get there, comment in one piece, talk your mind as e dey do you pass. Follow me, subscribe, Adowa TV. Finish. I come in peace.